Hello, I'm Grace. The automobile insurance market has fallen into an unexpected deficit in the first half of this year, sending shockwaves through the financial sector. According to recent reports, the automobile insurance industry recorded losses totaling approximately 189 billion Korean won, approximately 140 million USD, during the first half of the year. This figure is particularly significant as it represents a shift into the red for the first time in 6 years, rather than being a mere temporary downturn. The core takeaway from this data is the abrupt reversal of a market trend that had maintained a consistent surplus for years. The primary driver cited for these losses is the issue of overtreatment at Oriental medical clinics. In fact, expenditures for Oriental medical services have spiraled out of control, becoming a key variable that is accelerating insurer losses. Unlike conventional accident settlement processes, Oriental medical treatments often involve much higher cost increases, making them a major culprit in driving up loss ratios for insurers. Compared to the stable profit structures of the past, the current expenditure framework can be described as highly unstable. Analysts suggest that this expanding scale of loss will ultimately deal a direct blow to the financial soundness of insurance companies. The most pressing concern is that these deficits may not remain confined to corporate losses, but could instead be passed on to consumers. When loss ratios rise, insurers inevitably consider raising premiums to offset their deficits. Industry experts warn that this shift into a deficit could lead to hikes in automobile insurance premiums by next year or around 2027. This is a sensitive issue that could place significant pressure on household economies already struggling with rising fixed costs. Ultimately, the implementation of institutional safeguards to prevent overtreatment and the ability of insurers to manage losses will determine the future direction of insurance premiums. If market conditions do not improve, consumers are expected to face an unavoidable rise in costs. I'm Grace, thanks for watching.